all of my chick babes, luxe babes, and fur babies. So one of my Amazon pack orders was at the door when me and Coco came back from the doctor. Yes, I had my chiropractic appointment. And let me bring y'all down just a little bit. I had my chiropractic appointment, and this was waiting. So we are putting up some more wall art all throughout the house. Now this, I believe this is my cocktail and wine lounge. Okay. The decor that I had in that area, that was just temporary until I found what I really wanted. Is it? What is this, y'all? Cause I have 2 orders coming today. I have the I ordered more of the acrylic wall shelves. If y'all don't have those, ooh, you need to check them out, okay? Cause you could put those wall shelves wherever in your home. In your office, your bathrooms, your bedrooms, your kitchen. And so I ordered a set of 6. And this set is bigger than the set that I got for my computer keyboards. Now, this set of 6 is going to be for all of my cosmetics, you know, all my skincare. I'm gonna put at least 2 of those shelves up in the bathroom. That'll be enough for my skincare. And then as far as my fragrances, I'm going to put at least 2 in our VIP chick lounge. Okay, yes, this is, okay, y'all, this is the art decor for the, for our, oh yes, and I'm glad it came like this. I'm glad it came like this, yes. Because see, all I got to do is just hang it up, y'all. All I got to do is just hang it up, okay? And this was like $19.99, I think. Yeah, so got that one. I'll put it right here. I love these wine art. Okay. So all I gotta do is hang them up. Nice quality. All you gotta do is just hang them up. Okay. And this is Wine and Wing Wednesday, you all. Okay. So it's 4 in this box. Yes, I love it. I love it. So excited. Okay, y'all. So y'all thank y'all for tuning in and tell me what you all think. Now we are going to go and put these up on the wall. So y'all please like.